What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, people all over the world are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single month using AI tools you've probably never heard of? No coding, no huge following, no special degree, just smart people leveraging artificial intelligence to create hidden streams of income completely online. And the crazy part, you could start today. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are unlocking new income sources with AI step by step, and how you can do it too before everyone else catches on. So grab your notepad, because what I'm about to show you could literally change how to make money forever. Welcome back to Tech Money Central, the channel where we break down real strategies that actually work in the digital economy, how technology, AI, and automation can make you money from anywhere in the world. If you've been watching trends, you already know AI is rewriting the rules of business, creativity, and income. But while most people are scrolling through AI memes, a few are quietly using these tools to create multiple sources of income that pay them even while they sleep. And today, I'm revealing the playbook they're using tool by tool, strategy by strategy, so you can join them. Let's start with the truth. We are living in the biggest digital gold rush since the internet began. AI isn't just for tech companies, it's the new backbone of online business, freelancing, and even personal finance. According to Forbes and Business Insider, the AI industry is projected to surpass $1.8 trillion by 2030. But here's the kicker, a massive portion of that value comes from individuals, people using AI tools to do jobs faster, better, and cheaper. From copywriting and design to voiceovers, coding, marketing, and automation, AI is turning ordinary people into micro-entrepreneurs overnight. So, let's break it down. First up, AI-powered content automation. Every brand, YouTuber, and business needs content, and AI tools make it insanely easy to create at scale. Here's how people are cashing in. They use ChatGPT or Claude to write high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, or YouTube scripts for clients on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. They combine that with tools like Jasper AI, Copy AI, or Notion AI to automate writing workflows. Then, they sell these as done-for-you packages. Simple example, one freelancer I studied uses AI to write 50 blog posts a month for clients. He charges $30 per post. That's $1,500 monthly, working a few hours a day, all automated. Want to scale it? Add Surfer SEO to optimize the posts. Suddenly, you're not just selling writing, you're selling traffic. AI has made content creation not just faster, but scalable. You've probably seen faceless YouTube channels, right? The ones that rack up millions of views with no on-camera presence. Guess what? Many of them are powered by AI. Here's how they do it. Script, written with ChatGPT. Voiceover, generated using 11 Labs. Play.ht or Murph AI video clips, made with Pictory, Runway ML, or Synthesia. Editing, automated with tools like Descript or Opusclip. Then, they monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. One creator I analyzed runs 3 faceless channels, each making between $1,000 $3,000 a month, all using AI-generated content. He only focuses on ideas, SEO, and consistency. AI does the rest. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You just need to know the process, and that's what we're breaking down next. Freelancers are using AI to triple their income by offering AI-assisted services. Here's how. Let's say you're a graphic designer. Instead of starting from scratch, you use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Ideogram to create logo concepts in seconds. You refine them, package them professionally, and deliver faster than 95% of other freelancers. Writers use AI for research, outlines, and editing, then add your human touch. Developers use GitHub Copilot or Replit Ghostwriter to code twice as fast. AI doesn't replace your skills, it multiplies them. People are literally calling this the era of human-AI collaboration, and those who adapt will dominate every freelancing platform within the next years. Now, this is where the real money starts. Imagine setting up a system that earns for you 24/7 with AI handling 80% of the work. For instance, use Zapier or make an Enneagram to connect your AI tools and automate workflows. Use ChatGPT with Google Sheets or Notion to analyze data, create reports, and manage leads. Use ManyChat or Tidio AI for automated customer support. This is how people are building AI-powered digital agencies offering automation services to small businesses who want to save time and money. You set it up once, they pay you monthly. That's recurring income powered by automation. Let's talk about creating your own digital products. People are using AI to build books with ChatGPT and Canva, online courses with Synthesia, web apps using Bubble.io plus AI code assistants, print-on-demand designs generated by Midjourney. And here's the wild part. They sell these products on autopilot through Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify. Example, a digital artist used AI to generate 100 unique notebook covers in one night, uploaded them to Etsy. Within a month, he made over $1,000 and he hasn't touched it since. That's what I mean by hidden income. It's not just fast, it's sustainable. Another overlooked goldmine, AI affiliate marketing. AI companies are growing fast, and they'll pay you to promote their tools. You can create tutorials, short videos, or blog reviews about AI tools like ChatGPT+, Jasper, Grammarly, or Midjourney and earn commissions from every sign up. Even better, use AI tools to generate your own content about other AI tools. It's automation promoting automation. Here's your action plan. Pick one of these income streams, just one. Learn the tools. Most are free or have trials. Create your first result, your first blog post, logo, video, or automation. Scale with consistency. Diversify your streams. Remember, the people making real money with AI aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who start early and stay consistent. The tools are here. The opportunity is wide open. The only question is, are you going to let this wave pass you by? If you got value from this video, don't just scroll away, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Money Central, and turn on notifications because every week, we break down new strategies to help you make money with technology before everyone else does. This is your time. Don't just watch the AI revolution, profit from it. This is Tech Money Central, where tech meets money. See you in the next video.